Hello, hello students. Today we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter exercise 1.6. Let us see the 7th question. A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B, that is n of A minus B is equal to 32 plus x, and n of B minus A is given, that is 5x, and n of A intersection B is equal to x. And one more condition is given in the question, 7th question. N of A is equal to n of B. That is, you have to represent in the Venn diagram. This is 32 plus x. This is common. A intersection B is equal to x. And this is 5x. Let us see how to find out the value of x. Now n of A. You have to take this term and this term for A, because the whole A is 32 plus x plus x. 32 plus x is equal to x plus 5x, because n of B is equal to x plus 5x. Here 32 plus 2x is equal to x plus 5x, that is 6x. So here 32 is equal to 6x minus 2x. And 4x is equal to 32, and x is equal to 32 divided by 4, cancel 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Can you understand? Let us see the 8th question. Out of 500 car owners investigated. So, out of 500 car means you have to take as A union B. N of A union B is equal to 500. And 400 own car A. So, N of A is equal to 400. And 200 own car B. So, N of B is equal to 200. And 50 own both A and B. Is this data correct? So, let us prove that n of A union cardinality of sets we have to prove. So first 8th question, you have to write first n of A union B is equal to 500, and n of A is equal to 400, and n of B is equal to 200, and n of A intersection B is equal to 50. This is given in the question. This data is given in the question. Let us prove cardinality of set. That is this data correct? A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Let us write n of A union B is equal to 500 is equal to here 400 plus 200 minus 50. So that is equal to 400, 600 minus 50, that is equal to 550. So therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not correct. It is not correct. So this data is not correct. Let us see the 9th question. I am going to read. In a colony, 275 families buy Tamil newspapers, 150 families buy English newspaper, 45 families buy Hindi newspaper, 125 families buy Tamil and English newspaper, 17 families buy English and Hindi newspapers, 5 families buy Tamil and Hindi newspapers, and 3 families buy all the 3 newspapers. If each family buy at least one of these papers, then find 3 questions they are asking. Number of families buy only one newspaper, number of families buy at least 2 newspapers, total number of families in the colony. Let us consider A is Tamil newspaper and B is English newspaper and C is Hindi newspaper. So number of families buy Tamil newspaper is 275. And number of families buy English newspaper 150 and Hindi newspaper 45. And Tamil and English 125. English and Hindi 17. And Tamil and Hindi 5. All the three newspapers buyers 3. Let us represent in the Venn diagram. First you have to represent all the 3. So here put 3. And A intersection. First you have to fill the intersection part. This all the 3 in newspaper buyers 3. Here A and B. This is A, this is B and this is C. All the A and B means 125. You have to subtract this one minus 3. We will get 122. And B and C. Here 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. And then here A and C 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now you have to represent in A 275. 275 minus 122 plus 3 plus 2. So 122 plus 3 plus 2. We will get 127. 127 means 275 minus 127. We will get 145. Sorry, 48. That is 275 minus 122, 124, 127. So 8, 6, 4, 1, 148. And then here N of B 150 minus 122 plus 3 plus 14. That is 125, 129, 139. 139 means 150 minus 139, 11. And here N of C. So that is 45 minus 2 plus 3 plus 14. So that is equal to 45. Here 5 plus 14, 19. So 45 minus 19, 26. 45 minus 19. Here 6. Here 3, 3, 2. 26. Okay, understood students? Now we have to find out how many families buy only one newspaper. That is, you have to take only one newspaper means this 148 and then you have to take this N of B 11 and then here 26. So 148, 11, 26. For this one you have to add 128 plus 11 plus 26. We will get 128 plus 11 plus 26, 185. At least 2 newspaper. That means at least means 2 or more. So you have to take this one, this one, this one and this also. 3 intersection part also. So we have to add this 122 plus 3 plus 14 plus 2. That is, we have to add this all the 4. We will get 141. 125, 29, 39, 41. Now, total number of families. So, you have to add all the one. That is, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. So, we have to add all the one. What we have to get? 148 plus 122 plus here 11, 14, 3. 11, 14, 3 and then 2, 26. 2, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to all the one, we will get total number of families is equal to 326. Can you understand? Next we will see the next question. What is the 10th question? Next we will see the 10th question. The next question is, in the adjacent figure, we have to find out x, y, z. And the condition is given, y is 2 times x and z is 10 times more than x. So by given condition and according to the Venn diagram, we have to find out the x, y, z value. So n of u is equal to 125. So you have to add all the terms, we will get 125. This term also you have to add this for. So x plus y plus z plus here 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 17 plus 5 is equal to 125. And here for 7 plus 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 17 30, 13 plus 17 30, 35. And 35 means we have to add this y for 2x and z for x plus 10. So here x plus 2x plus x plus 10 plus here we have to add. Now we have to add all this one. We will get this is y for 2x, so x plus 2x plus here x plus 10 plus 35 is equal to 125. Now we have to add 4x plus 45 is equal to 125, and 4x is equal to 125 minus 45, that is 80. So x is equal to 80 divided by 4, that is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20. We will get the y value, y equal to 2x. So y equal to 2x means y is equal to 2 into 20, that is y is equal to 40. And what is z? Z is equal to x plus 10. So z is equal to x plus 10. So that is equal to z is equal to 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30. So what is the answer for x, y, z? X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 40 and z is equal to 30. Okay students, thank you for listening. We will see the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.